Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you enjoy my content, and if you do, please like it and also please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for joining me in a new video, and thank you so much for your support. And in today's video, guys, it is all about skincare. When we've got our robe on, a white robe on, no sight of makeup, it's definitely a skincare video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a skincare product from the Body Shop, and it is the Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. And yeah, I recently purchased it about 2 months ago, and yeah, I just wanted to do a review on this product. I know that it's been out for a while, and I know that it's not a new product, but I've been having my eye on it for a while, and I've been sort of waiting to buy it and then test it out for you guys. And now I've managed to do obviously both. So I bought it I think about 2 months ago, and I've been super excited in doing a review on it, because if you guys know something about me, you know that I like my skincare, you know that I like my masks, and you know that I'm all about a glowing mask and a mask that's going to bring back the life back into the skin and it's going to give you that youthful glow. I'm all about exfoliating and glowy skin, and especially now that it's summer, more so of the reason why I want to be glowing. I don't want to be oily, but I want to be glowing. There's a difference. And yeah, this mask basically claims to do that, and I have been using it for, like I said, 2 months now. And honestly guys, it's been an amazing mask, and I wouldn't be saying it if I don't believe in it. You know that I always just show you guys what I truly believe in, and I wouldn't show you any products that I don't have faith in. But honestly, I have been using it and I have been enjoying it, and every time when I use it, like I go from dull skin to literally bright and glowy skin. Obviously with every product you have to use it for a while. I would say use it for at least a month until you can see a little bit of difference. Some products obviously than others you can notice a bit of difference in the skin when you first use it, which is what this product is like. But for like an overall sort of difference in terms of targeting specific areas that the mask targets, I would wait a month, because it always takes a good month for you to see a major difference. So yeah, do bear that in mind. And like I always say in my videos, I'm not a skincare doctor. I studied beauty therapy and I studied about skin, and that's where my knowledge about skin comes from. And also I've just got a very in-depth interest in skincare, which is why I studied beauty therapy. So for anyone wondering why I'm talking about skincare videos, that's the reason why. But I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a doctor, so always make sure you consult your doctor and see a dermatologist before you're trying on different things on the internet, because what might work for me might not work for your skin. So just have to put that disclaimer out there. But yeah, let's get into the video. I'm going to read through the claims of what this mask claims and what it does for your skin, and then we will apply it. I will apply it on my face and show you guys what it looks like with it on and afterwards as well. So guys, the first thing on what it does for your skin, it's basically a powerful purifying charcoal face mask. It says that it is the real deal for the skin that needs some intense TLC. It absorbs excess oil and sucks out dirt and impurities, so really perfect for someone that's got oily skin. It exfoliates the skin. It also says that it feels intensely tingling and refreshing, which it definitely does feel tingling when you first put it on, so do bear that in mind if you do not like tingling sensations. But it does subside once the mask has been on for a while, for a little bit. And then it says that it gives you a bit of a healthy looking glow all in 5 to 10 minutes. You have been warned. Get ready to pamper and purify oily skin with zero mercy. It's made with bamboo charcoal from the Himalayan foothills. It's got green tea leaves and a little community fair trade tea tree oil. This charcoal clay mask is a powerful little part of goodness to help you unclog your pores. So that's some information on what the mask does for you and what it contains, because I always like to look at what masks contain for me to know whether it's good and what it targets. I'm not just going to put anything on my face without doing that research. And charcoal is really amazing for getting rid of excess oils and just impurities. So I definitely know that firsthand from using a lot of charcoal products. So in terms of how to use it, it says slather on for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy the nice cooling feeling and intense tingle. That's how you know it's working right. Wash off well and stroke your softer, smoother feeling skin. Your pores look reduced, skin looks clearer, and glow is dialed up. And then it just has just a little bit of information, which is what we've gone through. Tingling charcoal clay mask absorbs excess oils, feels intensely tingly, but it does subside. Amazing for your at-home facial. And yeah, that's the basically info on the product. It does cost £18, but honestly guys, you're not going to use all of this in a short space of time. A little goes a long way, literally, and that's what you're meant to use skincare products like. You're not meant to lather too much of them, otherwise they don't work. So just always use a little bit, and yeah, just apply a nice thin layer. That's what you have to do with your products. But it's £18, and I definitely feel like it's worth it because it's 75 mils, which is quite a lot for masks, because sometimes they tend to be a bit lower than that in size. So yeah, do use a little bit, and I think that the little that you use, you find that you have a bit more, if that makes sense. So that's the information on the mask. Now I'm going to apply it onto my face. Before I apply it onto my face, I'm going to show you guys what my skin looks like before we go into it. So guys, this is what my skin looks like close up. Literally, I've only just washed it, and that's about it. As you guys can see, I have a bit of breakouts just in the center there and just over there, and a little bit here, and I've got a little bit of scarring, and then that is like a birthmark. So guys, before you start off with any sort of skincare, always make sure you've freshly cleansed your face nicely to remove any dirt and oils off the skin, which is what I've done prior to this. And then literally I've just opened up the jar of the mask, and you guys can see what the consistency looks like. It's a very sort of grainy consistency, and instantly when you open the lid, it literally just smells of like charcoal, and it smells of tea tree oil, but it's not to the point of nauseating. I feel like it smells nice and has a nice smell to it. I've smelled other masks that are not very pleasant, but this doesn't smell too bad. So yeah, it's like a grainy consistency. It's sort of like mud, basically. That's the sort of the texture that you get when you apply it. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer onto my face. So guys, this is what my face looks like with the mask on. The only little disadvantage or little con about using this mask is that because it's quite grainy, it does get quite messy. So I would suggest to just not wear any top that's nice, basically, because if you are someone that tends to wash your face like quite messy, it's just gonna go everywhere and it's gonna go on your tops and everything like that. So I would suggest, normally when I put this mask on, I would wash it off in the shower when I'm having a shower, but because I'm doing this video for you guys, obviously I'm not in the shower, so I can't really do it in there. But yeah, so I've applied it onto my face and onto my neck, and I'm going to just put a timer for 7 minutes because they start to dry up anyways. So I've put on my timer on and I'm going to let that do its work. This is what it looks like, guys, after 7 minutes of having it marinating into my skin. I'm going to literally wash it off now because it feels really tight. Guys, this is what my skin looks like after washing it off. It just feels really nice and it feels glowy. It feels like my pores are clean, because I was starting to feel a bit clogged up, especially around like my nose area. That's normally how I know I'm clogged up, because my nose just starts to feel really loaded up, like with dirt and debris and all of that. But in terms of the rest of my face, this is what it looks like with like no moisturizer, nothing on. It's just really nice and fresh, and it just looks brighter to look at, and it just feels really smooth as well. But yeah, I wanted you guys to see what my skin looks like close up so that no one says I didn't show them. But this is what it literally looks like. I just feel so fresh, and I feel like I've got a clean, nice, fresh canvas for me to work on. But yeah, I really like the product. I really like that it's clay masks. I love clay masks because I just feel like they really work best for areas that I tend to hold a lot of oil, which is normally around my nose and sometimes on my chin. Especially in summer, I find that my skin tends to be a little bit oily, a little bit to the oily side, especially on days when it's really hot and muggy. So I really like to use this mask, and just for the moments where I feel like my skin needs a TLC, especially when I'm, you know, due on my period, I just have these breakouts that come out. So using a mask like this really helps to target those areas and draw out any sort of oils that have built in, but really makes your skin looks glowy. It doesn't leave your skin feeling like you've just literally taken out all the moisture in your skin. That's one thing I like about this mask, because some charcoal masks, you can really tell that it's really, you know, removed all of the impurities, because your skin feels really delicate and very tight and dehydrated. But my skin literally does not feel tight or like yeah, it doesn't feel like it's been pulled. Like, it doesn't feel like that, and I like that about this product. So yeah, that is my review on it. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you liked my review. I'm going to finish off with my skincare. I'll do that off camera because you guys have already seen me doing that loads of times. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon in a new video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share it and like the video and subscribe. I think I've already said like the video twice, but don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.